Hello, sweet friends. My name is Angie, and welcome to the Bumblebee Farmhouse, a place where I hope that you can find a little bit of inspiration to make your house a home sweet home. Even though spring fever has set in, it's definitely not quite spring yet here in the Midwest, as we've just had another snowstorm. We've had cold and snowy days mixed in with warmer, sunnier days, but today we are in the middle of a snowstorm, so I thought I would meal prep today. And so I pray that this video finds you all very well and in good health. And if you guys want to hang out and stick around, let's go ahead and get started. I've been meal prepping most weeks. Sometimes I have no motivation to do this, but the weeks I do, I notice that I feel so much better as I am eating cleaner on those weeks. Some days I don't want to. Food is life sometimes, and who am I kidding? I like to enjoy all of it. I grew up in a Greek household, a big Greek family where we would gather for Sunday dinners and we would all connect over a meal. Every gathering was around the table, and maybe that's why I associate food with love. That sounds kind of deep, but the two really do go hand in hand. My thing is, if I love you, I'll feed you, or I'll send you food and make sure your tummy is happy. So while the puppies are outside enjoying this snowstorm, which they absolutely love, they are so playful when it comes to snow, I am going to be using my egg cooker and be making some hard-boiled eggs. I like to keep these in the refrigerator just to grab as like an easy breakfast, or I love using them as salad toppers. So I do like keeping boiled eggs in the fridge, and I am going to meal prep and make a large batch of seasoned chicken breasts, and I'm going to chop it up and dice it and freeze it in batches so I can just take it out, defrost it, and use it for salads or pastas or anything really, just to have it ready. Meal prep definitely makes everything a lot easier. When the geese are flying south and the sky is gray, my dears, close your eyes and lift your nose. Listen with careful ears. Feel the winter coming on. Hear the crackling trees. Note the crisping, quivering wind sharply snapping at their leaves. Feel it on the window panes, chilly glass on fingertips. Mark the biting of the air, heated breath on numbing lips. See it in the early eaves, in the glowing sunset where shadows of the naked trees rattle in the biting air. Watch the nuthatch and the wren. They know it is time once more to abandon careful nests as they've done each year before. Let the frost rest on your face. Sense the shiver on your breath. See how pretty nature is when she ushers winter in. Susie Bittner. Here in the Midwest, I know we have a good 1 to 3 months left of winter. Some days are better than other, and then the snowstorms will just come in out of nowhere. So I know we all want spring to be here, but here I still have to embrace winter, as I know that we still have cold and snowy days ahead, such as today. I was able to cook a bunch of chicken breasts, as you can see here, and I would say I put away about 6 or 7 freezer bags with chopped up seasoned chicken breasts, and I froze them for future salads, different nights where I just want to defrost some chicken, maybe warm it up, or just have it cold on top of a salad or inside of a pasta or a pasta salad. I know, it was nice, wasn't it? It felt decent. look lovely. And I cooked a bunch of chicken and I chopped it up in freezer bags so we can do future like easy salads the nights we want to have salad.